I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so the reset goes smoothly. Make sure the battery is above 50% and back up any reachable files. Once done, verify you know the Oneplus Google account credentials because a factory reset can trigger protection. If you still have access to settings, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so you can use ADB later. Otherwise, power the phone off and get ready to boot into recovery using the hardware key combination. Once in recovery mode, navigate with the volume keys and confirm with power. Choose Wipe Data or Factory Reset and accept the confirmation. This clears the screen lock by erasing user data. If you enabled USB debugging earlier, you can instead connect to a PC and use ADB to remove the lock files or sideload an update. This requires knowledge of platform tools. Make sure you allow the process to finish fully and do not interrupt power during the data wipe to avoid corruption. After the wipe completes, reboot the device and go through the setup screens. You should no longer see the previous screen lock. When prompted, sign in with the Google account previously used on the phone to satisfy factory reset protection. This is why credentials were necessary. If the phone still requests the old account or behaves unexpectedly, make sure the reset finished fully, try repeating recovery wipe, and if it still fails, contact Oneplus support or an authorized service center for help resolving FRP or hard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.